Character lessons, more natures and animals, but let's review first. 山 mountain, 田 field, 马 horse. So today I want to show you something has more than 5 strokes, okay? So this one you can guess. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 2 dots. 2 dots. I can tell you it's 雨. What do you think it looks like? So many water drops? It's rain. So it's basically a picture of a window or a door that has raindrops on it. So 雨, you will see a lot of characters has this part which are related to the weather. For example, this is 雷, thunder, and this is 雪, snow. So let's learn another one, which is a very simple one. 1, 2, 3. Just 西 means sunset. It's sort of like 日, right? But 日 tilted because the 日 is falling, so it becomes 西, the sunset. And now I'm going to give you some challenge to write one of the most complicated characters. It's very tricky to write. Also means something that will surprise you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a character called 追. It's an animal, but it's an animal that are very unclear. So my ancestor believed this is a character of a short-tailed bird. You really don't know why they need a radical for a short-tailed bird, right? Me neither. And this short-tailed bird used to be more pictorial, but now it really doesn't look like any bird at all. And you will see that in some character like 吉, you recognize the bottom, right? That's the 木, the wood. So this character means, so a bunch of short-tailed birds are actually standing on the branch of a tree. So this character 吉 actually means all together or concentrate. So it makes sort of a little bit sense, but not much. Okay, so follow me on YouTube and we're going to learn more radicals and you can see all the videos there. It's the same ID everywhere. 再见.